Select this, delete it, and you're done. Takes less than 3 seconds to increase your open rate by as much as 20%. In less than 2 minutes, I'll share a hack that will increase your open rate by a ton. I'll tell you exactly what to do so you could follow along and enjoy higher open rate, a percentage of recipients who open your email. We are going to make use of the email preview text to increase our open rate. You know how in Gmail or Outlook, below the subject line you see a little preview text? That's the start of the email, and most email preview text looks like this. What do you think would happen if amongst all of these basic emails, there was your cold email that instead of a simple hello, had a personalized line in the preview? Exactly! You would see a substantially higher open rate than others, because now you're breaking the pattern. Not only that, the prospect also gets a taste of the personalization you wrote, which makes them curious, thus increasing the open rate even more. Let me show you how to set up the preview text. Select this, delete it, and you're done. Takes less than 3 seconds to increase your open rate by as much as 20%. Best ROI out there. The first sentence in your email becomes the preview text. Now you may be thinking, what the hell do I write in the preview text? Well, first, I'll tell you what not to write. If you're thinking of adding stop sign emojis or dollar signs, don't. It smells like spam. And no, writing everything in caps isn't a good idea. Just keep it simple. Any type of icebreaker is a good option for the preview text. A personalized line or a joke, or maybe play with their head. Add some FOMO, mention competitors' case studies. For example, you could say, John, competitor is growing while you're reading cold emails. Or, Frank, did you hear about Gmail putting a stop to cold emails? Or, congratulations, Lucas, on the rebranding. It almost looks as good as my haircut. Or, to be honest, I hate when my emails go to spam. Just make sure to A/B test different preview text to see which one generates the highest open rate. If you don't want to spend time personalizing lines yourself, just use Salesforce Icebreaker feature that will write personalized lines all for you. Subscribe!